If you're still emailing invoices one by one, you're working too hard. QuickBooks has a built-in way to send dozens of invoices in just a few clicks. Today, I'm going to show you how to use batch actions to clear out your billing in seconds. Let's jump in. Step 1. Navigate to the Sales tab. First, go to your left-hand sidebar and select Sales. Then click on Invoices. This will give you a complete list of all your recent transactions. Step 2. Filter for unsent invoices. To make things easier, let's clear the noise. Click the Filter button, set the status to Needs Attention, or specifically look for unsent transactions. You can also filter by date if you only want to send this week's billing. Hit Apply. Step 3. Select your invoices. Now, look at the list. You can either check the box next to individual invoices you're ready to send, or if you want to send everything in the filtered list, just click the Master checkbox at the very top of the column next to Date. This selects every invoice on the page. Step 4. Use batch actions to send. With your invoices selected, click the Batch Actions drop-down button at the top of the list. From the menu, select Send. A window will pop up showing you a quick summary of the recipients and their email addresses. Step 5. Confirm and send. Take a quick second to review the list. If an email address is missing, QuickBooks will highlight it for you. Once everything looks good, hit the Send button at the bottom right. QuickBooks will take care of the rest, and you'll see the status of these invoices update to Sent immediately. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.